Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Welcome to class 1. This is lecture number 1. Please listen to the lecture carefully and do your homework. Open book, page number 3. Complete the names of the parts of the body. Now see students, here is a boy in this picture. Now we are going to learn about parts of body names. This is head, H-E-A-D, head. This is nose, N-O-S-E, nose. This is chin, C-H-I-N, chin. This is neck, N-E-C-K, neck. This is eye, E-Y-E-I. This is ear, E-A-R, ear. This is mouth, M-O-U-T-H, mouth. This is thumb, T-H-U-M-B, thumb. These are fingers, F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. This is arm, A-R-M, arm. This is hand, H-A-N-D, hand. This is knee, K-N-E-E, knee. This is leg, L-E-G, leg. This is toe, T-O-E, toe. This is foot, F-O-O-T, foot. Turn page number 4. Chapter number 3, use of a or an. Use of a, we use a before words that begin with a consonant sound. Now let me explain first that what are vowels and what are consonant. There are 26 letters in English alphabets. 5 letters A, E, I, O, U are called vowels and the remaining are consonant. So first we learn about consonant. Look at this picture. It's a hen. Hen start with alphabet H, H-E-N, hen. H is a consonant, so write A before A for hen, a hen. This is ball, a ball, B-A-L-L, ball. Ball start with an alphabet B. B is a consonant, so write A for ball, a ball. This is a car, C-A-R, car. Car starts with an alphabet C. C is a consonant, so write A for a car, a car. This is a zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Zebra starts with an alphabet Z. Z is a consonant, so write A for zebra, a zebra. Use of N. We use N before words that begin with a vowel sound. Students, I told you before about vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. This is an egg, E-double-G, egg. Egg starts with an alphabet E. E is a vowel, so write N for egg, an egg. This is an owl. Owl starts with O-W-L, owl. Owl starts with an alphabet O. O is a vowel, so write N for owl, an owl. This is an orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Orange starts with an alphabet O. O is a vowel, so write N for orange, an orange. This is an apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Apple starts with an alphabet A. A is a vowel, so write N for apple, an apple. This is an umbrella, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Umbrella starts with an alphabet U. U is a vowel, so write N for umbrella. This is an X, AXEX. X start with an alphabet A. A is a vowel, so write N for X and X. This is an iron. IRON, iron. Iron starts with an alphabet I. I is a vowel, so write N for iron and iron. This is an I. EYEI. I starts with an alphabet E. E is a vowel, so write N for I and I. Now start your copywork. You have 2 English 4 lines copies in your course, copy 1 and copy 2. For this lecture, you will do your homework in copy 1. This is copy number 1. Maintain first page with name, father's name, class, section, subject. Open new page, mention date, chapter number 3, homework. Use of a or an. Number 1, dash ball. Number 2, dash owl. Number 3, dash X. Number 4, dash hen. Number 5, dash egg. Number 6, dash car. Number 7, dash iron. BALL, ball. Ball starts with an alphabet B. B is a consonant, so write A for ball. A, ball. Number 2, owl. OWL, owl. Owl starts with an alphabet O. O is a vowel, so write N for owl and owl. Students, I have explained 2 examples. Now it's your turn to do other blanks. See page number 5. Exercise A. Look at the given pictures. Write A or N before words. Look at this first picture. This is an ant. A-N-T, ant. Ant start with an alphabet A. A is a vowel, so write N for ant and ant. This is a van. V-A-N, van. Van starts with an alphabet V. V is a consonant, so write A for van, a van. This is an ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. Ice cream starts with an alphabet I. I is a vowel, so write N for ice cream and ice cream. This is a hat. H-A-T, hat. Hat starts with an alphabet H. H-A-T, hat. Hat starts with an alphabet H. H is a consonant, so write A for hat, a hat. This is an owl. O-W-L, owl. Owl starts with an alphabet O. O is a vowel, so write N for owl and owl. This is a box. B-O-X, box. Box starts with an alphabet B. B is a consonant, so write A for box, a box. Exercise B. Complete with A or N. This is a bird. B-I-R-D, bird. Bird starts with an alphabet B. B is a consonant, so write A. So we use A in this sentence. This is a bird. This is an elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Elephant starts with an alphabet E. E is a vowel, so we use N for elephant. This is an elephant. This is a flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Flower starts with an alphabet F. F is a consonant, so we use A in this sentence. This is a flower. This is a jacket. J-A-C-K-E-T, jacket. Jacket starts with an alphabet J. J is a consonant, so we use A in this sentence. This is a jacket. This is a clock. CLOCK, clock. Clock starts with an alphabet C. C is a consonant, so we use A in this sentence. This is a clock. This is an octopus. OCTOPUS, octopus. Octopus starts with an alphabet O. O is a vowel, so we use N in this sentence. This is an octopus. See page number 6. Students, it's fun time. Join the dots and color all these pictures. Fill in the blanks with A or N. Look at this first picture. This is an apple. APPLE, apple. Apple starts with an alphabet A. A is a vowel, so we use N for apple and apple. This is a kite. KITE, kite. Kite starts with an alphabet K. K is a consonant, so we use A for kite. Kite. I explained 2 examples. Now it's your turn to complete all these pictures and blanks. Students, this is the end of today's lecture. Please complete your homework and submit your book and copy. Allah Hafiz.